Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Dropbox Sign to streamline coverage renewals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Dropbox Sign for streamlining coverage renewals, start by logging into your Dropbox Sign account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Dropbox Sign website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Integrations tab located in the main menu. Click on the Integrations tab to access available integration options. Scroll through the list until you find Coverage Renewals. Click on Coverage Renewals to initiate the integration process. Follow the on-screen prompts to link your Dropbox Sign account with your coverage renewal platform. You may need to enter your account credentials for the coverage renewal service. After successful authentication, you'll be redirected back to the integrations page. Ensure that the connection is confirmed, showing that Dropbox Sign is now integrated. Next, set up templates for your coverage renewal documents in Dropbox Sign. Click on the Templates tab in the dashboard. Select Create New Template to begin designing your document. Include necessary fields such as client names, policy details, and signature places. Once your template is complete, save it for future use. To send out renewal documents, revisit the dashboard. Find the option labeled Send Document. Choose the coverage renewal template you previously created. Enter the email addresses of all recipients involved in the renewal process. Add any personalized messages if needed and finalize your selections. Click on the Send button to dispatch the renewal documents. Watch as Dropbox Sign automatically tracks the status of your sent documents. You'll receive notifications once recipients view or sign the documents. This process significantly reduces the time spent on manual renewal tasks. Congratulations, you've successfully connected Dropbox Sign to streamline your coverage renewals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.